I'm going to be teaching you how to propagate your houseplant. This is my pothos houseplant. Here I'm going to take some baby clippings. Here's my first clipping. You want to make sure you got the little brown part at the end there, because that's where the root's going to grow out of. Like, you can't just like pull the leaf off and put it in water. You got to have a little root part right there. And that's the little brown parts. And then you just put it in a cup of water and make sure the brown part is like submerged in there, because that's where the new root comes out of. And then it could go for a couple weeks in there in like a little bright place, you know. And then those are the roots. So when the roots look like that, you can just put it in some water. Dirt. Put it in dirt like this. And then you multiply your plant.